Amazon business account or seller account? What's the difference? Well, in today's video, we are going to clear that out. Also, by the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of which one is for you. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and I want you to know that you can sign up for either of these from the link in the description below. Let's start by talking about what Amazon business account is. Generally, when we order something from Amazon, we see a variety of products listed from different sellers at a different price range. Amazon business account is a secret marketplace that is exclusive for businesses and business owners. You get access to special discounts, deals, wholesale prices, bulk discounts, and much more. You also get other features that help you manage your orders and budget. We will discuss more about the benefits in a minute. Before that, let's talk about what Amazon seller account is. Essentially, Amazon seller account is ideal for individuals and businesses looking to sell products directly to consumers on Amazon. So any business owner can sign up and start selling their products or other brands' products on Amazon. Great thing about selling on Amazon rather than your own website is that you don't have to find the audience. They already have it. We just have to showcase our products and it will get the exposure of wide audience. Sign up process is also easy for both. I will leave the sign up links in the description. After that, you have to sign in or create a new Amazon account, provide your business details, and that's it. Now, when you have all that set up, you can start taking advantage of the account. Now, what are the advantages? Let's talk about it now. Starting with the business account first. Business only pricing and deals in bulk. When you sign in with your business account, you will see a different homepage than your personal Amazon. Apart from getting tax excluded prices, you will notice that you are getting better deals and deals that are not even available on your personal account. Another point is that you will get bulk discounts. As you can see here, if I buy more units, I will get more discount. Though it's not much, but still my margins increase. And when you add that up for bulk orders, it counts. Next is GST and VAT invoicing benefits or taxation benefits. When we order from Amazon business account, we get a tax invoice. That means when we are filing taxes, we can claim tax redemption. In my case, I bought my LG 5K monitor for work. My CA submitted the bill while doing the taxes and I got the rebate. So the final price of the monitor for me was this. Multi-user accounts feature is also there. That means you can add your employees and they can order on the behalf of the company. You can set spending limits to prevent unwanted purchases. That leads us to the next point, that is reporting and analytics feature. Any business needs data to thrive, of course. So business account provides access to detailed analytics and reports on your purchasing activities. We can then analyze spending patterns, identify cost saving opportunities and tweak accordingly. While you can use your Prime membership or personal account with your business account, but in some countries Amazon offer business Prime plans that give additional benefits like 5% cashback, 90-day interest-free period, cloud storage, and create policy, etc. It also offers a credit line, that is you get up to 60 days to pay for your order. Point to note is it's different than the 90 days interest-free mentioned earlier. Now let's start talking about the advantages of seller account. First and most important perk of having a seller account is itself the fact that you can sell your products on Amazon. You get the exposure of a wider audience, which would be hard if you create your own website and try to drive traffic to that. They already have it. Fulfillment options offer 3 choices. First is you can self-ship every order to the customer. Second, you can ask Amazon to ship the orders. Third, and the best option, is to make your orders fulfilled by Amazon. They take your product and store it in their own warehouse. When the customer places an order, they will take all the headache. Your order will also get this tag of fulfilled by Amazon plus 2-day delivery option, so it increases the chance of getting the order. Last but not least, to help sellers as well, they have seller support and educational resources. People can access seller forums, webinars, and tutorials to enhance their selling skills, optimize product listings, and navigate the complexity of selling on this platform successfully. There you have it, the differences and benefits of Amazon business account and seller account. If you are a business looking to streamline your procurement process, the Amazon business account is a fantastic option with its VAT invoicing, business only pricing, and multi-user capabilities. On the other hand, if you are a seller seller seeking to tap into Amazon's vast customer base, the seller account has the tools and exposure needed to expand your business. You might be also thinking if you can have both at the same time, then yes, you can do so. You can sign up for both and enjoy the benefits of the services. Again, if you would like to check any one of those out or both, you can do so from the description below. Hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you still have some, then you can leave them down below in the comments. Now, if you are looking for a best payment gateway for a website or something, you can watch this video right here, or you can watch my recent video from here. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye.